The Tortoise and the Hare. Have you ever been underestimated because you weren't the fastest or the flashiest? Well, this fable tells the story of a slow but determined tortoise who proves that sometimes slow and steady wins the race. Let's see how a speedy hare learns a valuable lesson from an unlikely competitor. Once upon a time, a speedy hare and a slow but steady tortoise lived in a sunny forest. The hare was known for his incredible speed, zipping through the forest like a blur. He always bragged about his talent, making fun of the tortoise for being so slow. One sunny afternoon, the hare and the tortoise were arguing. "You're so slow," Tortoise the Hare taunted. "You could never win a race against me." "Hey, Slowpoke," he said, "why don't we race? I'll beat you easily." The tortoise, though not one to boast, was tired of the hare's boasting and accepted the challenge. "Why don't we race then?" The other animals in the forest gathered around amazed at the idea. They all knew the hare would win easily, but they were curious to see the race anyway. A wise owl marked the forest path's starting and finish lines. All the animals cheered for the competitors. The race began. The hare zoomed off like a rocket, leaving the tortoise far behind in a cloud of dust. The hare was so confident in his victory that he decided to take a nap halfway through the race. This will be a piece of cake, he thought. He found a shady spot under a tree and curled up for a little snooze. Meanwhile, the tortoise never stopped. He didn't rush, he just kept moving. He plodded along slowly but steadily, never giving up. The hare's nap turned into a deep slumber, and he snored away. When he finally woke up from his nap, he stretched and yawned. "I bet the tortoise is miles behind," he thought. He peeked out from under the tree and couldn't believe his eyes. The tortoise was almost reaching the finish line. The hare panicked. He jumped up and sprinted with all his might, as fast as he could. But it was too late. The tortoise, slow and steady, crossed the finish line first. All the animals cheered for the tortoise, amazed by his determination. The hare hung his head in shame. He learned a valuable lesson that day: slow and steady wins the race. It's not always about being the fastest, but about perseverance and never giving up. And so the humble tortoise emerged victorious, proving that persistence and consistency matter more than speed. From that day on, the hare respected the tortoise and never underestimated anyone again. Remember, my friend, it's not always about being the fastest. Sometimes it's about staying focused and determined. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this story. Like and subscribe to Go English Story for more interesting stories. See you in my next video.